Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make rolling end credits or credit title using CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all we can start to create new project. Click on this new project and you have to add background for your credit title. If you don't have background from your phone, you can go to the CapCut stock videos, and here we can get background from CapCut, and I'm gonna go with this black background and we can click on add. Okay, now the background has been added to my project, and I'm going to add my credit title. We can click on the text option and click on add text and type the credit title for your video. And I have prepared my credit title. I'm just going to paste it. Okay, and here is my credit title, and we can change the font if we want, and I'm gonna go with this font. And after that we can do styling and add effect as well to our text, but I'm just gonna skip it and we can click on this check mark. Okay, and here I'm going to zoom out a little bit like this. Okay, and I'm going to make this text align with the video. Alright, and if we want to create a rolling effect, we can use the keyframe button. So this is the keyframe. Oops, sorry. Okay, we just need to use this keyframe. And first of all, we can drag this text down like this and click on the keyframe. And we can go to the end part of the text and add keyframe again. And we're going to drag it up to create the rolling effect. Okay, and I think it's done. And now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the credit title of my video. And I guess that's how we can make rolling and credits or credit title in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.